I am Joe's English teacher. Before I started to make this video, I had watched many other videos online about spoken English, and many of these videos had more spoken Bengali than English. Now, I must tell you, I will not be speaking in Bangla with you. Maybe sometimes, but for the most part, I would require you to step out of your comfort zone. I believe that for you to learn how to speak better English, you must speak in English. There is no other way. And you also need to learn to listen to English words with your ears and take all that information in. And this will help you speak in return. So speaking and listening go hand in hand. So, my email address is written down below. Please write to me and tell me how I can help you speak better English and how I can help you improve your English grammar. We can have classes any way you are comfortable with. You can use Facebook Messenger, we can use Zoom. I am offering one-on-one English coaching. So if you're interested, please email me and let me know how I can help you. Thank you for watching. See you next time.